Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to make your Windows animations smoother on Microsoft Windows. If your system feels a bit laggy, or if animations are choppy, we will guide you step by step on how to adjust your settings for a smoother, more responsive experience. Let's get started. On your Microsoft desktop, let's walk through this together. We will configure the system to perform better. We will go to the video card settings. To get there, we just need to right-click on the desktop and then click Show More Options. If you have an NVIDIA or AMD graphics card, just click the control panel at the top. Once we are here, we will be redirected. To set our preferences, we want to choose Maximum Performance. Just go to the Performance section and then click Apply. This will set the system to its maximum performance, whether you are on a desktop or laptop. Once we click Save, we can continue. Let's minimize this. Next, we will set a better refresh rate. To do this, we right-click again on the desktop and go to Display Settings. In here, we will find the refresh rate settings in the lower section. Under Advanced Display, we can choose our refresh rate. We want to select the highest refresh rate our monitor supports so the display does not feel laggy. This will push the display to its maximum rate, making everything look and feel smooth. And that's it. We have successfully optimized the Windows animations for smoother performance. The system should now feel faster and more fluid while navigating.